Good morning, children. This video is for class 4, and the subject is computer. It is a first video, so I have written here part 1. Okay, then it is from chapter number 1. So first of all, what you have to do, you just take your computer book and turn your book page number 1. It is chapter number 1. If you look at your book, then you can see what is the name of this chapter. It is about storage and memory device. Okay, so in this chapter we are going to learn about the storage and memory devices in computer. In previous classes you have learned what is a computer and what are the different characteristics of a computer. So quickly I am going to explain you. Computer is an electronic machine which is helpful in doing calculations, but is also helpful in doing playing music, playing games, then sending messages. We can also do the chatting with our friends and family members with the help of this computer. So computer is having a huge storage capacity where we can store our data and informations. So in this chapter we are going to learn about the memory devices or the storage devices of a computer. Okay, so when you turn your book in page number 2, you can see the data and informations. What are the data and informations in computer? A computer enables to save the records of data and informations, thereby preserving huge quantity of paper and stationery. Okay, a computer stores data or informations in memory or storage device. In your page number 2, you can see it is given here. It is here that a computer, it stores data or informations in memory or storage devices which can assist as and when required. So where computer stores the data and informations? It stores data and informations in memory and storage devices. Now what is data and what is informations? Data is a collection of raw facts. What is data? Two things are there. What is data? Data is a collection of raw facts. Data is a collection of raw facts. And what is informations? The next thing. What is information? Information is a processed data. It is a processed data. What is data? Data is a collection of raw facts. And what is information? Information is a processed data. It refers to facts which are organized and have a specific meaning. Okay, so two things are there, data and informations, which are stored by the computer in its memory and storage devices. Memory and storage in context of a computer system refers to the storage of data that is measured in multiple of bytes. The storage capacity of computer in storage devices, it is measured by bytes. Measured by bytes. A group of 8 bit is called a byte. Group of 8 bits is called 1 byte. 1 byte is equal to 8 bits. Okay, so in your page number 2, you can see a table is given there. It is given here. It is a table, measurement table of data and informations in storage devices in computer. So you have to learn this table so that you cannot find more difficulties about the measuring of data and informations in computer. It is in this table I am just giving quickly I am just explaining it. It is written here. 8 bits is equal to 1 byte. 1024 bytes is equal to 1 kilobyte. 1024 kilobyte is equal to 1 megabyte. 1024 megabytes is equal to 1 gigabyte. 1024 gigabytes is equal to 1 terabyte. Okay, so what is the use of storage and memory devices in computer? So we can say that in computer, data and informations are stored in a memory and a storage devices. These data and informations are stores or are these data and informations are measured in computer in terms of bytes, and 1 byte is equal to 8 bits. Like that, one table is given there, you have to learn this table by itself. Again, if you look at in your book, then the classification of memory is given there. So the next topic is classification of memory. Once again, I am writing here memory, and the classification of memory is here. It is classified in two parts. Okay, the first one is primary memory and the second one is secondary memory. Okay, primary memory and secondary memory. Memory is classified in two parts, primary memory and secondary memory. First of all, I am going to explaining this primary memory. What is primary memory? Primary memory is the internal storage area within the CPU which stores the data and instructions. Okay, it is a storage area inside the CPU. It stores the data and informations. It is also known as main memory. Primary memory is also known as main memory. Okay, it helps us in fast access of data and instructions. Primary memory is classified in, again it is classified in two parts. Okay, memory is classified in two parts, primary memory and secondary memory. Primary memory is again classified in two parts. The first one is RAM and the another one is ROM. Okay, RAM and ROM. RAM stands for random access memory and ROM stands for read only memory. Okay, I am going to explain first one, this RAM. RAM stands for random access memory. It holds the data temporarily for current processing as long as the computer is in operation. So RAM holds the data temporarily. It holds the data temporarily. Once the computer is switched off, the data is going to be deleted. Now ROM. ROM stands for read only memory and it holds the data or it stores the data permanently. It stores the data permanently inside it. Once the computer is switched off and again we are going to switch on the computer, we can see our data or information which we have already stored inside the computer. It is stored in the ROM. Okay, so RAM stands for random access memory. It stores the data temporarily, and ROM stands for read only memory and it stores the data permanently. Okay, so it is about the classification of memory, primary memory and secondary memory. Today in this video I have explained only this primary memory. Primary memory is classified in two parts, RAM and ROM. RAM stands for random access memory and it stores the data temporarily, and ROM stands for read only memory. It stores the data permanently. Okay, in next class, in second part of this video, in part 2, we are going to discuss about the secondary memory, and its classification. So it is all about today, and thank you and have a nice day.